Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Been a long time since I've uploaded. I've actually been away. I've been traveling for work, so it's been a while since I've made any videos. Not just that, but I also forgot to take the camera, so I never filmed anything when I was down south. I went to Florida to work, but I'm back now. But we're gonna get started again on the projects at the house, or on the trucks, the vehicles, and this time we're gonna be working on my truck again. We're gonna do a full system. I'm taking out the old system, and we're gonna redo it again. Putting new 6.5s all the way around. I think I got the Rockford Fosgate T2s or T1s. I can't remember. I haven't looked at them. Routing all the wire. Took out the stereo. Putting new wire through there. Putting a new sub in. New everything, new amps, new subs, the whole 9 yards. And actually I'm gonna take all this stuff, which I already took most of it out. Pretty much all this mumbo jumbo here, I'm taking it out and putting all this in the Jeep. So all these amps are good, these amps are fine. I'm gonna keep this because I need this for to get signal for my amps. So I'm gonna get signal out of the front radio for this. Same thing like this basically. Run all this out, put these, make a new board, but put that in the Jeep. And that'll be another video. But I'll show you in a minute all the tools that I got, the components and everything. But yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a nice setup. And the other one's gonna be put in this Jeep. Same thing, like I said, the amps are the same. That sub that I got, that 12 is going in here. This one already has aftermarket radio, so that's good. I don't need a DSP or anything like that. It's just gonna plug and play RCAs back there. And this one, I'm not sure how, but I think I'm gonna end up putting the amps back here. Somehow I'm gonna figure out a way to keep this tire here, but mount the amps back here. Maybe here, I'm not sure yet. I still have to look at it, see what fits, what works. Put that in there and put 112 in here, just so it can have some bass in it. It's just got regular speakers in it now, but I'll do a video on that one too. But main focus is gonna be on this one, the F-150 right now. And I said I'll show you all the stuff that I got, the new components and everything. I'll go from there. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be installing in my truck. All the stuff is here. Start off, I got some sound deadening from MBX. It was a good price for all this. What is it, 10 sheets? I mean, I'm only going to put like 2 per door and whatnot. That's fine. I'm going to do a component set on both front and rears. That's what I had them. Pretty much that's what I've done in every truck, so I'm just going to keep it the same. But this time I finally, got to spend a little more. I got the Rockford Fosgate T1s, the ones that I got. These things are pretty massive. They got a massive magnet. Look at right there where they're rated at. Put these right here, and they're all gonna be powered up by one of their smaller amps. But this amp right here is capable enough to power all four of those speakers, door speakers. See it right there. Yeah, this little amp is gonna power them up. I got 2 of those. These are the crossovers for them. Everything's set right there. That's nothing right. I got my brackets right here for my doors. Distribution blocks. I got my fuses for those. I'm also gonna do something different. I'm actually gonna put these are marine speakers. I'm gonna put these on the outside, on the back. So that's for that. I'm gonna do fast rings. Haven't done fast rings yet. I did them on another guy's install in Florida, and they sounded real good. But I got these fast rings. I'm gonna do those. I got the whole wiring kit. This is a 6-channel, I believe. Yep, 6-channel wiring kit. This is the model number if you want. It's nice. I've used this one in the past on 2 other installs. This is the the amp. This is going to power the subs, which right now I only have one. It's going to be a kicker. It's a L7. It's a 10-inch sub, but I'm going to try it, and hopefully it'll work. But yeah, that's going to be the full install on this. And that'll work. That'll be it. But yeah, stay tuned. all door panels are done for the crossovers. Speakers, everything's wired. I just got to now make the amp board, but all doors are done. Just have to finish that, and then I think I'm gonna install the DSP right there, signal processor right there, probably behind that radio. But I'm not sure. I gotta see if I have room. But yeah, it's looking good. All right, guys. So truck is done. Everything's put back together. I mounted the tweeters right here on the back doors. The front ones I really didn't like because the way they were mounted. I didn't know they were that big. They're pretty big. But if you look, there's a gap right there. I didn't like that. But that's fine. I'm gonna leave them like that for now until I find some more of these panels, because if not, I'm gonna have a hole right here, and then I'm gonna reroute that tweeter over here to the factory. But I just didn't want to have a hole there, so I'm gonna leave that one there. And the back ones, they worked out fine, good as well, both sides. And that's the new L7. It's a 10-inch L7. It's rated for 500 watts RMS, so it's pretty powerful. It sounds good. Excuse all that wiring back there, but I'm still waiting on the RCAs, a new one that I have coming, but to provide the signal for this smaller amp, which is this one right here. And that's it. But here's the actual finished board. Let me see if I get some light. So don't mind these RCAs right here. They're just there for now, temporarily. But once the new ones come in, I'm gonna route it, like it's supposed to, and put it to the back. But that's the DSP, or my signal that I need from to get the RCA outputs. That bottom amp is for the outside speakers. I got some Marine speakers in the back that I mounted this time. That's new. That's the amp for the 4 channels for the 4 door speakers. And then that big amp right there is for the sub, which I have the option to run a second sub if I wanted to, and this amp is rated for that. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it fits good back here. It's mounted pretty secure. The only wire coming out are these, but man, that's fine. I mean, you can't even see it. So, and the reason I wanted to do the amp board behind this time, because I know that my other video, like long time ago video, my amp board was right here in this space, which the board was actually fit this area good, but I wanted this space now, to put stuff here and like a couple stuff here and there. But that's it. I'll give y'all a demo, but it's gonna be either way. If I do, it's kind of hard to hear, through the video, or to hear the system. But that's it right there. And let me show y'all the Marine speakers that I got. So I got 4 6.5 Marine speakers right there. I mounted that toolbox, which, the toolbox is old. It's probably 5 years old, so I just didn't care to make the holes in it. But the wire comes up from under there, and it's got plugs on it, so I can take off the toolbox if I need to. I don't have to have it on there. It's not permanent. I can unplug it, plug it back in whenever I want to. But it sounds good, guys. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. And then my next update is gonna be the Jeep. That's the next system, which I'm gonna go ahead and start. If you see right there, I got a mess here, but it's ready for the Jeep. And then I'll do that. But yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I made a video because I was just working out of town. But any other videos y'all want me to do, or any other different kind of installs or whatnot, let me know, and put it in the comments, and then I'll update it. I know there's a guy that wants me to do an update on the iPad, which it's not really a big install or anything like that. It's pretty simple, but I'll do that video as well, and I'll put it on. Thank y'all guys for watching. Let me know what y'all think. We'll see y'all next one.